In this video, I'm going to show you how to make your X account private, formerly known as Twitter. So go ahead and open up the app and log in. And then from here, you want to select your profile in the top left corner. And then we're going to be selecting settings and support at the bottom. Now from here, we're going to be selecting settings and privacy. Then we're going to scroll down a little bit and select privacy and safety. And then from here, we're going to be selecting the top option, audience and tagging. Now, protecting your posts, if we turn this on, it's only going to show your posts to people who follow you. And if selected, you'll need to approve each new follower. Now, when it comes to what else does this actually do, it's not going to show your posts in third party search engines like Google Search, as well as protecting your posts as they'll only be searchable on X by you and your followers, among other features. So once you've done that, you can back out and you now have made your X account private. So hopefully this video was helpful. Like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.